Hey creatures, my name is Ana Sofia Castañon and I'm an artist based in Cancun, Mexico. I actually started out in college studying graphic design and later on became a fashion designer. All along, what I really wanted to do was paint, which I've been doing full time for the last 5 years. I work with different media, but in this class we'll be using watercolor. I'm highly inspired by nature, and throughout these lessons, I'll be teaching you some of my favorite techniques in watercolor to create a beautiful piece in a very easy step-by-step way. We'll talk about art supplies, ways to gather inspiration, tips into finding really good color palettes, textures, layers, washes, and other qualities that make watercolor so magical. I'll also give you some tricks that will be helpful for your watercolor practice. And with the skills learned, you'll create a beautiful and simple modern piece inspired by nature and landscape. I hope as you follow along, you'll find the beauty and peace on every stroke. I'm excited for you to become more confident about this medium and keep exploring watercolors. After you finish your project, I'd really like to see what you create. So please share your work or any questions you may have on the project gallery and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for joining this class. Let's get started.